Hello everyone, today I'm with Volkswagen e-Up second generation and I wanted to test the lane assist of the car. I don't know if you are aware, but on the second generation they replaced the city emergency brake with lane assist. So here where the camera is, now the camera is tracking the lane rather than having a camera to just track the objects around the car. So I will go to the car and try to test the lane assist to see how it is working on the road. So let's not waste any more time. Let's go and test the lane assist. Let's see now when lane assist will be activated. You can see currently I'm driving with around 40 km per hour, 45. Lane assist is still not active. I will increase the speed to 55, 57. Okay, still not active lane assist. I will go to 60, up. Now on 60 it activates. Let's slow down. And 55 it deactivates. So you need to be at least 60 kilometers per hour in order lane assist to be active. And then if you go below 55, it will be disabled automatically. Lane assist now. You can see I'm not touching the steering wheel. My hand is here. It's notifying me that I'm not. My head's not on the steering wheel, and it needs to correct me. So I need to wake up, for example, or be more, how to say, cautious when I'm driving. Let's do it again. I'm not touching anything. Here's my hand. Again, oh, correct. Now again. Here's up. Now it didn't do the job. Okay. Now let's test the lane assist again here on the turn. If it is safety, I will not touch the steering wheel. It out correct me, and it's notifying me that I have to put my hands on the steering wheel. Now let's do again. Okay, it was too slow. I need to go faster in order for the lane assist to be activated. Now it's activated. Let's see if it is safe first. To the test, I will do my hands like this. Okay, I needed to correct that because I'm not feeling safe. Let's test the lane assist at the night on the highway. I think it's safe now. Let me just try to somehow engage it. Okay, it turned the lane on the other side. Okay, it's also turned, but it's bouncing around the lanes. Actually, it's working on the night. Please take the steering wheel. Okay, it bounced from lane to lane, but it's working good. Now I'm not touching the steering wheel. Let's check now. It will bounce. Okay. Okay, it's working good. The only problem is that it's bouncing from a lane to a lane. You can see here that whenever there is no marking on the lane assist doesn't work. And now it catches the markings of the lane. And yeah, as you can see, it's lighting green. So it needs to have some indication where is the lane before the car knows where exactly to go. Another test on the lane assist. I will let it turn around here and again without touching anything. You can see here that the indication is some kind of orange, indicating that there is something that I need to pay attention to. Now I'll try to hit the another lane. car automatically turn on the lane. And if I continue doing that, the car will notify me to take the steering wheel. Now I'll again leave the steering wheel and leave it to lane assist to turn on the lane. I'm trying this because I know this is a good road here and a new indication. You can see that the car automatically turns here on the turn, and it is notifying me that I need to take the control of the vehicle. Let's do another test here, because there is turn. The car automatically turned the, you can see here, I'm touching the steering wheel, the car is doing that by itself. Okay, I think that's enough for the lane assist. I will give it a chance to see what other things can do. I hope you like this short video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.